Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaki educational channel. So today is Monday and I am back with one more quiz, which is Enviro quiz contest. Yes, this quiz contest is conducted every week on Monday on this platform. So if you are preparing for the environmental science exam or if you want to know about the environment, this quiz will be very helpful for you. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So before proceeding for the quiz, one must know what are the rules for the quiz contest. Yes, these are the rules for the quiz contest and you have to answer the question in this following format given. And today is the last quiz for the month and you can be one of our winners for the monthly quiz if you want to participate and win prizes along with e-certificate. So let's start the first question. So the first question for today's quiz is, who was the woman activist who initiated the Chipko Movement in Reni village of Chamoli district in 1973? So you will be given 15 seconds to think about the answer. The second question is, which zone in the longitudinal profile of river is autochthonous in nature? So these are the four options given and think carefully. Time for the next question. Identify the correct sequence for the global warming potential of the different greenhouse given in the options. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the acceptable BIS limit for the sulphate in drinking water in milligram per liter is how much? So this BIS is Bureau of Indian Standards. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, there must be a balance between total development and absolute preservation. So this justifies which of the following ethics? I would suggest you to take a pen and paper and write all the options so that it will be easier for you to write the options when the quiz is over in the comment section. The next question is, lake which has layers of water that never intermix are called as what kind of lakes? Time is running out. Let's move to the next question. The latitudes which are characterized by the calm winds and little precipitation are specifically known as what? The next question is, a tool used by the meteorologist to give a succinct view of how the wind speed and direction are distributed at a particular location is known as what? Time is running out. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, the aesthetic benefits comes under which of the following categories of the ecosystem services? And the options are provisioning services, regulating services, cultural services or supporting services. So we are moving towards the final question of this quiz contest. The final question is, the National Biodiversity Authority, that is NBA, is a statutory autonomous body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. And you have to tell when it was established. So tomorrow we will be revealing the results of this quiz contest and tomorrow we will announce the top performer of this month for our quiz contest. So stay tuned for further updates, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get more interesting updates.